Harmonic NQ on the 2.
Happy Friday, everybody. Mic check, mic check. Let me know if you guys can hear me all right. Okay, this is too juicy to pass up here. Need to take a little swing at this juicy PRZ cross here. Let's get going right now. All right, hitting targets here on grade 1. Having some fun right off the bat. Let me see if I can get some of this new stuff. Hooked on Pip says, look left to right. Amen to that. Beautiful little quick trade right there. So I had about 790 earlier, so it's about a $300 trade there. Quick and easy right into this one right there. I mean, how do you pass that up? No way we're passing that up. So gave that a stab. Haven't even looked at high time frames yet, but I'm going to probably take that trade every time. Even if I take a loss, it's a good loss. So beautiful trade right there. Fake him to the highs. We've got the Enigma back behind us, come into a bat PRZ that was not broken. And then we get a drop on down there for a T1 and a T2 on a small time frame. Let's make sure that audio box is rolling.
Fib.NQ on the 1.
All right. What's up, Baus, Damien, Pablo, Hooked, Steven? Thanks for giving a shout out there in the chats. Happy Friday. Late day. So trade 1 for some fun. We're going to be early in, early out on a Friday. You guys know the rules. And we're just going to sit here and use the tools. And I'll commentate a little bit along the way. So let's look top left masher. Don't forget, we use a simplified 3-chart layout. If you are new with us, again, what you're currently seeing is a single chart there. But the 5-chart layout is our primary order of operations. You'll learn that if you're going through our training there. 5 charts. But as we are here down on my execution window, keeping things a bit simpler for folks to understand if you are coming in and you are new with us. And I'll be working with my OBS layouts here. Hopefully I'll get a hang of it, switching between screens for you guys to give you guys as much visibility as possible. So speaking of that, let me go up to, what do I do? Press training 4. There we go. So this is the mid time frame area final filter, I would say, not really our mid. Our mid would be technically the wave chart. This is the MACV filtering chart there. As you can see, we're getting pretty squeezed right here right now, not touching either side of an area where we might be interested in our best plays. Best plays are going to be touching off of one of these white lines that we've already identified above and below. So this is one of our primary final time frame filters before we choose a direction and take a trade. This last one right here was absolutely perfect. Hopefully some folks got on this one earlier. See if I think I can draw on this. You guys let me know if that drawing is working for me, please. Getting a few new things here with the tools, so I'm not sure what you guys can see on the live stream, but hopefully you're seeing me zoom in on the little down scoop there and an arrow and a circle drawn around that on a level 5. So touch and turn, and look at this big touch and turn. Let's see how much that was worth up top. Get my measuring tool here. So from bottom to top, that is an 84 tick move if you are looking for a long play position off of that touch that we've identified from a previous level of turn. Awesome stuff. Okay, so longs favorable for the time. You can see it moving up. We've got the longs favorable telling us longs are best right now. Yes, I did take a quick scalp down against that. And remember, if I am going to trade against that, I'm looking for a target one. I'm not trying to get fancy with something if I'm going against that. Yeah, do me a favor, hit that like button while we're here real quick, and press the share button if you guys have a Twitter feed. Just click share and then click Twitter next. It's literally next finish would be awesome. You guys help us out with that. Happy Friday. Let's get down into the, again, it's tortoise slow right now. So I'm going to go down all the way down to the ones on my algo bars to speed things up a bit. So we're here on the twos. I'll keep it in mind. I've got tabs down here. I'm going to use my tabbed view here and we'll go right here. Okay. Oh, there's a moonshot right now. I'm going to go ahead and take a shot at that. I'm a little bit behind it, so I'm not going to get big on it yet. As it comes back here, I'll add to position. Okay, there we go. So now I'm getting into my position here. Stop's going to be back behind my Enigma. And I'm looking for the moonshot play. I'm going to add here on the cross. Get another Flowmaster cross here to add on it. There we go. There's target one. There's a target two. We are technically with favorable direction here. If we break underneath this cross, I'll make new decisions here on it. Still got a few contracts left on it. Ooh, okay, 3 wise men here. Got my finger over the close. Retail's coming in right here. Want to make sure we are playing against them. In one of our next releases into the new year, I'll actually be identifying for you the best scientific guess visual indicator on coloring the crosses. A little circle. It'll be an option. You don't have to have it, but we'll be able to estimate whether they were going short right there. We assume it was. You see big down move, big down move. We assume this. They're like, oh, this is a big juicy turn down. They're getting short, boom, wrecked. Another guy finally adding to it, boom, getting wrecked. Targets up there into the cipher play right there. Kind of easy though. Like, let's say that you don't know any of that. Doesn't matter. What's that right there? Pop quiz. Type it in the chat for everybody. What is that play I just circled right there? Let's see if everybody's awake on a Friday. You've been through our training.
Harmonic NQ on the 2.
What's that right there? Not this one. Let's cut that out. What do we got right there? Type in the chat. Let's see where we're at. Name that play. Come on down. And there's a nice one right beside it too. For a bonus, if you can identify what's this. There's a lot going on there. What's that as well? Part 2. Type it in the chat. Let's see who's got the answers. 2 chances to win. Boom. All you guys saying moonshots.
Harmonic NQ on the
yes. Let me switch over to this one. Oh, I need to add that. Okay, so bottom left. Let's have fun. All right, so we have got BBQ, moonshot. We got Pablo, moonshot. Yes, Damien, moonshot. Yes. S-Trader, moonshot. Yes. And then for the bonus, BBQ Sizzle coming up with a power headshot. Now, there's even more in there. What else? What else is in there? Power headshot. Yes, that was what I was looking for. But I just noticed as I zoomed in, you zoom in really close, there's something else even with that. What else we got there? A couple more things. This is the bonus question right here. This is the super bonus. Pablo says power headshot plus moonshot. Well, the moonshot is over here. There's still more. I think we got the moonshot, but I'm talking about this part in front of it. So yes, those who said moonshot, boom, this is the moonshot. Absolutely. Yes. Now, what about this? What all's going on right here? What do we got? That's the bonus. We got anybody getting on the bonus? The Alpha Omega is involved. Yes. Got some Delta involved. Yes. BL plus Delta. I do notice. Yes, we have a big spike down there as well. That's included. But can we name everything going on right here? I want to make sure you can identify what's on the chart. Oh, double Enigma short. I got to take a shot at that. What is this, trade number 3 here? Yes. Okay, going against favorable direction, so I'm looking for a T1. Moonshot now, adding to position on the cross. Target filled and closing position there. Again, going against favorable direction. What am I doing? Right, target 1. Beautiful play there. All right, we're done. 2K on a Friday in just a few minutes while teaching. 11 minutes, folks. 11 minutes. And we just did 1,200. Because I was already up 700 before we started the stream. 700 from the morning session for me there. And then we just added another 1,200 in 11 minutes. Not bad. Was that $100 a minute? Not bad. Not bad. Okay, let's see who got this answer here. Shark. Yes. All right. We got the shark in there. So we have a PRZ. Yes, PRZ cross, and it is power. It is a power PRZ because it's powered. It is an Alpha Omega cross, so it is like a power up
NQ on the 9
cross, full master cross there. So yes, and I see Barry getting in with the shark. Power headshot. Yes, I would call it the power headshot inside of a PRZ. So you almost have a PRZ power headshot. Wow, it's a mouthful right there. A lot of confluence though. Whatever you called it. Yeah, call it magic is what I would call it. What's up, Foster? Good afternoon, my friend. HMD. There is an HMD in there as well. Yes, I mean, there's so many pieces in there. HMD, harmonic plus the dot. Yes, plus the power up. Alpha Omega cross gives you a headshot inside of it. I mean, there's so much going on there. That's why it's a bonus there. But you should know it, right? Write it down, get it inside your head. You've got multiple things going on. Nice little spot. That is the absolute biggest play from end to end. Let's look at the numbers on that. So from bottom to top. So up to the red, that is 60 ticks from bottom to top there. And we played it the other way as well. I mean, what do you got to complain about there? It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, even inside of some slow action here this afternoon. Excellent. So the Enigmas are there. Speaking of the Enigmas, I got to bring this up. 2023 is the last year for Enigma. I know that's sad, but we have filled up the seats. We launched Enigma last Christmas, and we had waiting lists and made sure we didn't want to overwhelm the seats. So if you do want Enigma, we do have the seats available. If you want to join and add the Enigma to your gold plan, or if you want to join the lifetime Enigma pack here during our continued Black Friday event, this weekend we'll launch the Christmas event. So check that out this weekend. We've got a different gift for you. So if you like the 43-inch 4K, that's awesome. Got a different idea for you coming this weekend for the Christmas special, but that will still be the same pricing over there. We'll announce it in the announcement section on Saturday if you guys would like to take advantage of that. But if you have friends on the fence, if they were going to come hang out, want to get the Enigma, last chance to get the Enigma. We literally will not be selling it in 2024. So all seats will be filled January 1st. No more Enigma. But if you got Enigma, you guys are going to see it a lot next year. I'm going to be doing that trading competition against ICT and all their little clansmen. It's going to be awesome. Jason Taylor, you did 2K today. Awesome. Awesome. Now, there was some troll earlier this week that asked, hey, I don't see any results of anybody else. Where's the testimonials? Again, I think testimonials are a dime a dozen. We really don't do testimonials. It's kind of my stand going, I would rather let our results speak for themselves. But there are plenty of people. If you hop into our chat right now, one of our members did over $20,000 today. There are many, and thank you, Jason, for, you know, I see your consistent results on a regular basis. I don't bother you guys with going, hey, you want to come on here and do an interview for me? It would be great for me if I did the interviews with you guys. Sure, it'd be great for me, but I think it's kind of horsewash. I don't do interviews with other places. I don't think any of them are good. I don't want to shake hands with them. I would rather be clean of the nonsense and the mess that's out there. I'm not interested in going in on their interviews. If you guys want to come hear it from the horse's mouth, you're welcome to come out here and live streams with us. We do what they don't do. Where's their live streams? Oh, but I did an interview. So what? Anyone can talk. Talk is cheap. Talk is so cheap. And anybody can be successful for a short period of time and hit a few lucky winners. It's 50-50 in the market, really. So if you can't, if you don't have a string of winners, if you don't have consistency over a period of time, then what do you have business doing, talking or teaching or selling anyone anything? Silliness. But yeah, you want to check out real testimonials, real results, go hop inside our Discord. Our members are not forced to share their results, but many of them do, and I appreciate each one of them that shares that with us. Let's go. I'm hyped. Algobox OP. That's right. What's up, Central Lamb? Good to see you, my friend. Watching while sick in bed. Oh, man. Sorry to hear that, brother. We'll say a prayer for the Central AM today. Shout outs. Happy Friday. Indeed. Thanks, Damien. Appreciate that, sir.
Harmonic NQ on the 2.
Another moonshot opportunity, even to the long side there. I think that one took off while I was gabbing away there. Just noticed that.
Fib.NQ on the 34. Fib.NQ on the 1 and NQ on the 1. We are live on YouTube at link above, folks.
Okay, so this speed, pretty bad. 39 on the ones. Very slow, very slow. Not one small account challenge from anyone, let alone live stream. Yeah, right. I feel like I have seen a lot of attempts at small account challenges, but I don't know how far I've seen them, or the like a finalized result of over periods of time, 6 months plus.
Fib.NQ on the 2.
Okay, approaching high of day. High of day is here at this green line. We'll see how the market reacts at that location there. And got the finger over the buy here. Technically, I'm looking for bonus time now. And that looks like a nice little double delta there. Let's see if we cross up into the highs. Where are we at on the masher? Masher tells us, let's switch to that screen here, go to 4. Gonna get used to this at some point. There we go.